Hey guys, today I will be showing you guys how to get a limited item for free. So let's get into it. First of all, you click on the search bar and search block race. Then click on the first game that you see. And join the game. When you are in the game, click on this button to see the task that you have to do to get the item. You have to complete this 3 tasks to get the item. To complete the first task, you have to collect 1 million of this blocks. You can click on this button to make your life easier. The button will make your player collect the blocks by itself. You don't have to do anything. To complete the second task, you have to hatch 5,000 eggs. You can hatch eggs here by pressing E, or you can buy the auto hatch for some Robux. To complete the third task, you have to unlock the Hell world. To unlock the Hell world, I think you have to unlock all these worlds first. Then this Hell world right here. After doing all the tasks, just simply click claim. And the item should be in your inventory. That's it for this video. I hope this video helps. Good luck to all of you. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.